This is what you call a torsion bar tool. So if you're doing front end work and you have torsion bars on your vehicle, you have to lower the torsion bar, take the tension off of them. And if you use just a straight air gun on the holding bolt, you can do some damage. So you want to be able to hold this in the torsion bar where it's adjusted, and then loosen up that bolt and slowly turn this out. And then the torsion bar can be released of pressure and do the front end repairs. It's also great for if you're doing an alignment. You can adjust this, put tension on the torsion bar, and add your shims or your adapters that you need. It's a neat little tool. If you need this or any other tools, click on 1A Auto and head on over.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.